Hey guys, I'm Joshua with PoolBots.com. Today, we're ranking the top 3 above-ground robotic pool cleaners. Many above-ground pool owners struggle to find the right cleaning regimen. Sometimes they resort to doing all of the regular pool maintenance themselves, like manually vacuuming and skimming the water daily. Or they settle for an old-fashioned pressure or suction side cleaner. Fortunately, we've done the research for you. One important note: some of these robots work well for both in-ground and above-ground pools. One rule of thumb is you can always use an in-ground robot in an above-ground pool, but not vice versa. So if you have an in-ground pool and are looking for the best cleaner for it, check out our video where we rank the top 3 robotic pool cleaners for in-ground pools. Now let's take a look at the best 3 robotic pool cleaners for above-ground pools. Number 3, the Dolphin Cayman. It's very lightweight, just 14 pounds, and it's ideal for pools as long as 33 feet. The Cayman cleans the floors and is designed to climb a few feet up the walls of your pool. The Hypergrip tracks help it cling to vinyl surfaces, and the front spinning Hyperbrush dislodges grime and feeds it into the filtration intake. The Cayman's cleaning coverage is impressive because of the SmartNav 2.0 software. This navigation tool helps the Cayman map your pool so it can create and follow the best possible cleaning path. Its filter basket is large enough for lots of twigs, acorns, and leaves, and is very easy to remove and clean. Simply dump the debris, rinse the panels, and you're done. Users who like low maintenance devices and don't mind working alongside a robotic pool cleaner will enjoy the Dolphin Cayman. It's lightweight, easy to clean, and comes with a programmable timer so you can schedule cleanings. If those are your priorities, the Cayman won't let you down. Number 2, the Aquabot X4. Water filtration and circulation are the keys to healthy pool water, and the X4 outperforms in this area. It filters 85 gallons of water per minute, and it roams pool floors and walls to keep water fresh and circulated. When used regularly, the X4 can cut down on your chemical usage a considerable amount, just by its circulation and filtration capabilities. The large filter basket can hold a lot of debris, and it filters particles as small as 2 microns. That includes fine dirt and even algae that could be clouding your pool water. Users like the X4 because it has a programmable power supply. You can schedule it to run every 2, 3, or 4 days for an hour and a half, or 2 hours at a time. And to add to its easy operation, the X4 comes standard with a convenient caddy. Number 1, the Dolphin Escape. The Dolphin Escape has some serious power, especially for an above-ground robotic pool cleaner. With 2 DC motors on board, it has the same level of suction power as some of the Dolphin's in-ground robotic pool cleaners. That doesn't mean it sacrifices efficiency though. It uses 90% less energy than a traditional pool cleaner. Each hour of cleaning adds up to just 5 cents. Because of its dual motors and these Hypergrip tracks, you can count on the Escape to consistently clean the floors and walls of your above-ground pool. Like all above-ground pool robots, it can't clean the very top of the waterline, but that's a feature you'll only find on premium models like the Dolphin Premier and the Dolphin Sigma. The Escape uses advanced logic and smart navigation to learn your pool and create an optimal cleaning pattern, so it won't waste time lingering in one area, and it won't overlook any section of the floor or walls. Its filter basket is 60% larger than traditional pool cleaners, and it's way easier to clean than a messy debris bag. Simply pop the basket out of the top of the unit and rinse it clean. It's even designed to hold more debris for longer, so it can run several cleaning jobs before you need to empty it. With the Escape's power, cleaning ability, and energy efficiency, we go as far as to say it would make a great choice for many small in-ground pools. Learn more about each model and read reviews from real users at PoolBots.com. And be sure to check our deals. There, you'll often save big with instant coupons and free or discounted accessories like storage covers. Our staff is also standing by to help you pick the best robotic pool cleaner for your above-ground pool, all at an unbeatable price.